Guys, welcome back to the channel. In York today. I think there's some Palestine protest on the go, and that's have a little wander down, see what we can see, but you can always see some flags in the distance. I think we're at the right spot. So let's see what we can see. Yeah, a bit of police here already and that. Sounds like an absolute rabble. So it's becoming more and more abundant in UK streets as well. People sleeping on outside shops and that. Let's go see what these are all saying. Food, just tries to decolonise, Some dates there. I know members not long ago, King Charles planted some dates for the Ramadan. Probably the most work he's done in a long time. You've got your fashion accessories too. Look at that. Look at some sales. Don't know what the hell that says. I'm alright, thank you, buddy. Free flags and everything, get yourself down. Free Palestinian flags. Anyone from Scarborough recognises that copper right there.
People like myself.
It's from Scarborough. I don't know what his name is now. PC Patrick or something like that, if I remember rightly. Alright? Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, Socialist Workers' Party, all the commies. Marxism. So it is right here, look.
Free Palestine.
Oh, too late, I got him mate, too late. Gaza corner, eh? Wonder what that entails. Oh, look, it's your Gaza corner, eh guys, look at that, get yourself on that. It just tastes like pure oppression. That's what they're claiming, isn't it? Right, someone's getting interviewed here. It's like some sort of lefty, probably some sort of socialist network or something. Spreading all the lies as usual. What are you doing touching me? Sir? You're in public. You're in public. Do you not know the law? How rude. I think you need to know the law before you start assaulting people. Honestly. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I'm going to make a habit of trying to film you now. Yeah, guys. As you can see, there's some hostile people in the crowd, unfortunately. Yeah, that's right, yeah. I've been smoking. I do, yeah, it's for medication.
Fair enough.
It's alright then, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so what have you been like that for? What? What have you been like that for?
What am I being like what for? I just said to her, it's
It is, yeah.
And what have I been like what for?
Why have you been like this? Been all like confrontational and aggressive with me?
I'm not being aggressive with you, I'm just stating the fact.
Yeah, but
there's no
the way
aggression.
you do it. It's the way that you're doing it, my
There's
friend.
no aggression at all whatsoever in it.
Alright then, hey?
Wait for them.
For them? No.
No, you're going to edit and make us look stupid.
Aye.
You think? Yeah, I know what you're going to do.
I'm on this side, my friend. I'm not
I
with
am
them.
far right.
Yeah, I'm not with them, my friend. I'm only offended because this woman here.
No, these here, right?
Mate, I'm on your side, but I'm not with them.
No,
I'm not with them.
Yeah, these here, they're new to demos, right?
Oh, yeah.
And they
You
don't.
need to understand that when you're in a public place, people are going to be filming these events. You can't just turn around and, like, I could go to someone and say that she just assaulted me or what she did.
This fucking big deal, here, right?
Yeah.
She did it to Korea with that fucking thing. I've just had a ding dong with her about that.
Yeah, see, like, I'm not here to cause trouble, I'm just here to promote the rights, and I'm legally allowed to film.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
No.
That's all.
I've put 5 posts up.
Yeah, man. I mean, as you can hear, it's just pure anarchy.
Secondly, I want to thank you all for turning up. I'm sick of turning up. I want
Yeah, we're sick of you all turning up too, but it's fuck off home. Pretty good idea, wasn't it? Apparently have a dickhead with a stupid hat on, so this place here, I don't want to be all over social media because he's got a job or something. We're trying our best to try and capture it, and someone try and identify it. She's hiding now, she's hiding behind her husband. Smiling for me. Oh, so smiling, but also the last time. I don't know what's wrong with her. I'm going to get a picture of her, guys, don't worry. Need to find out who she is. You alright? Yeah, good time.
I'm not streaming them or not, so it's fine.
This whole group here, they just keep on giving me like the sly eye. Oh my god. Come on, there must be more entertaining things to do than trying to capture this woman's bloody image. Look, there we go.
Come on, it's same excuse. I have got room in my
Come back when she's forgotten.
So I want to tell you this. I spoke to them this morning and I said, what do you want me to say? And there was a variety.
Yeah, no one's bothered what you got to say. Shut the fuck up. Hey up, they've got some NHS scouts on to make out as other NHS workers. Probably bought off Wish for God knows how much. Oh my god, I don't know if you heard that. They're trying to incorporate Yorkshire into one of the little satanic chants as well now. Looking Yorkshire and Gaza should never be in the same sentence in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. I'm sure I'm entitled to them, aren't we? Can't think of much connection that Yorkshire and Gaza have there. We've got a coastline. Like, I'm not being funny, but there's like, it sounds like so much anger in them chants. I think they need to chill out a little bit. Like, you get like blood pressure or something. didn't think we needed. Oh, he's here to save the day. Not messing about. Even the buskers aren't safe. Come on guys, now we're here to make a little bit of money and that. Can't even do that. We've got these guys absolutely shouting their heads off like absolute barbaric idiots. Sound like an absolute rabble. Oh, they're singing another song. I wish that we'd get people who could actually sing to do the singing as well, that'd be nice. It'd be quite entertaining to be fair if they did something like that. They've got professional dancers and stuff, you know, make it into like a popular thing, couldn't we? But instead they just have mindless idiots banging drums and chanting nursery rhymes and stuff. Yeah, I mean, if the people who built this could see, or standing in front of it today, I think they'd be absolutely shocked to the back teeth. If that's even a saying, I don't know if it isn't, I'm just making it up now. I'll try and hijack another song and that. Pretty embarrassing. It's like some sort of like satirical musical or something.
Running out of pub.
It's just the same things over and over again, isn't it? Don't say anything new, do they? And most of them are like nursery rhyme chants, aren't they? It shows the mentality, doesn't it? That right there. There's not many British people there either, is there?
Yeah, it's a sad situation, isn't it, really?
It is, yeah. The thing is, there's loads of sad situations going on all around the world, and if we were to do it for everything,
you're right, yeah.
every single day it'd be like this, wouldn't it? You know, different things, so it's...
yeah, you're right, yeah.
You don't get anyone protesting about the state of the country though, hardly, do you? You know, and what's going on and that, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. No, the trouble is that they come here and then they want to do things like this, you know?
Exactly, yeah.
I mean, but not all of them. I mean, we were in a taxi yesterday, and the guy was Yugoslavian, and he said, you know, they're going to control immigration. He says, I came here to be British 30 years ago.
There is like a lot of people like that, but then it's in the last like 15 years, I'd say. You know what I mean? Like, it's happened so much in such big numbers, unchecked as well. It's a lot of...
Keir Starmer says, you know, people need to speak English, learn English.
Definitely,
come here and, you know, get into their culture rather than you know, forming little ghettos.
They're in enclaves and aren't they?
That's right,
Places like Birmingham and that shocking out there, really.
That's right,
It's not too bad up here though, like, you know.
We're lucky.
You're from York, are you?
Yeah.
I'm just coming through from Scarborough, like, so...
Oh, you're from Scarborough? Yeah. I go to Scarborough almost every week.
Oh, do you?
I love Scarborough.
Yeah, it's a nice little place, isn't it? Like,
brilliant.
Yeah, it's really nice,
Go on the south near the spa.
Oh, yeah, down there,
Yeah, just on that side.
Yeah, I was down there the other morning actually, because I do a bit of YouTube and that, so I go down there and get a few videos and stuff like that. Yeah, that's why I'm here today, really. And I'm filming this, but I'm promoting, so I get like medical.
Alright.
So I'm trying to promote it and I'm trying to get the attention of these, but they've already seen me and they're not bothered, so they must know. They must know.
I'm all worried about this crowd.
Exactly, yeah, that's it, yeah. So
yeah, good to talk to you anyway.
Yeah, same, have a good day, yeah. They're finally congregated now at the Minster. It's got all the gadgets, got a mask on and everything, it's not messing about. Right, pal. I've got a clean sure to go in. As you can see, it's literally right outside the Minster now. These poor people here getting married and that. And then you got these little scumbags shanking all this fucking shit. These ones here, these are the biggest trees here, the flag bearers. Those like a Roman army, they'd be the ones that you want to be taking out first to make the, what's it called, the eagle, golden eagle. I wonder if they like have dreams, you know, like with these fucking words going around in the head because they say them that much. It's like listening to nursery rhymes, you know what I mean? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and all that stuff. It's fucking ridiculous. Look at them all, like they're all dancing around like some party. Like, it's crazy. It's absolutely mental. Like a mad little party, you know what I mean? I thought they're supposed to be like mourning all the deaths and everything like that. It's like they're getting ready for war or something. Like they're about to go into battle and that, but put on a tribal paint and stuff, do you know what I mean? Taking the bloody concoctions to give them energy and stuff, you know, to give them that bloodlust. Talking about intimidation, I'd say that this group here is the one causing the intimidation today, if there's any sort of intimidation. Quite ironic really, it's the same for a lot of these people, you know, they want one thing but not when it's them that's got to conform to it, or, you know, or when it's them that's been applied to. It's been the pro-Hamas propaganda minister right there. Stealth ninjas. They don't like to be seen. Oh, look at that beautiful face there. People got some very strange outfits on. Like this lady over here, she looks like a potato. It's just like just wrapped herself in some sort of cloths and stuff. Look.
What will I guys? Genocide! What will I guys? What will I guys? What will I guys? Genocide! 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 What will I guys? Genocide!
Nice little day out, you know what I mean? Looking really good with everything cool, we'll go to York. Just have a little laugh at them all walking past then. You can almost taste the diversity. It's thick in the air. We've got the fake doctors. Do we have any fake babies? That's the question. It's like a little checklist, isn't it, every time you come to these protests. See, they've all got the little towels on and that. They're called keffiyehs or something like that. They just look so aggressive, so militant. These people look like the people who want peace. Not to me, they don't. Someone trying to get my picture there. I'm not bothered, like I say. Take my picture, I know how beautiful I am. Oh, there's an evidence camera next to me as well. He's got a wasp on him. He's going to get stung. Be careful. look at them all. You can tell that I'm not one of them. If you see the way they look at me, I'm an outsider. Maybe I don't have that like smell to me or something, or I don't know. It goes quite far back though. We've got all the trade unions that we all get together. And some of the LGBTQ stuff yet, but that'll be somewhere no doubt. Oh, this guy doesn't like being filmed, look. Like if they're so proud, I don't see why they give me dirty looks and they're just filming them. They should be proud in what they're doing, shouldn't they? They should be glad that I'm filming them and getting it out there.
Up the chuffies!
Yes, lad. See, the only normal people are people that are part of it. Or just a regular couple just trying to enjoy the day in York. Maybe on holiday or something and they're subjected to this. Oh, she's come out with a megaphone. It goes quite far back. Oh, we've actually got a Union Jack in amongst the fray here. Do you think he's got lost? Do you think he took the wrong side? He's an infiltrator. Yes, that's what we like to see. He's proud of his British flag. Can't knock him for that at all. There we go, this guy at the back. He's dedicated as well, another flag bearer. We're going to try to get to the front again now, see if anything's happening down here. Try and fight my way through. So yeah, now we're in like the main, I think it's the main strip of York. I'm not really too familiar with York, but it looks like the main like shopping place, yeah, like a big fucking Ferris wheel and shit here. So yeah, just in the main area. Now everyone in York is unfortunately having to listen to all this now. Keeping a safe distance away. Too close. Oh look, we found the end. We found the end of the rainbow, but is there a pot of gold, I wonder? Maybe a pile of fake dead babies. Oh no, this isn't the end, this is just some poor YouTubers, some poor guys trying to just get on with their life, you know. Oh look at this poor guy. What do you have to say about this? It's disgusting, isn't it? Don't you think? Absolutely disgusting. I think there must be tacit supporters. Because they didn't share my views, unfortunately. 100%, yeah. There's a lot of conflicts around the world though that don't get half as much, you know, sort of press as this one. There's a lot more conflicts in the world other than this one though, and they don't get half as much.
That's like saying I'm upset, so I'm more upset, so you can't be upset.
No,
yes, it is. It's exactly like you're
two
upset.
separate issues though.
Like, there's other things going on, of course, but that doesn't mean we have to solely focus on one thing.
We are only focusing on one
There is
thing.
room to protest about all problems.
There is, so why don't anything else get protested about? Why is it only Palestine?
If you're not that bothered, why aren't you out protesting other things?
I've been out to London quite often protesting.
So what's your problem?
I'm just saying, why is it only this one that gets so much? That's what I'm saying.
Because it's like,
I know it's like relevant. I know
there's so much killing going on.
there is. The same in India and Pakistan at the moment. The same in India and Pakistan at the moment. That's quite high. I mean, there's things over the world that happen all the time where there's power. No, 100%. But I think it's quite well known now, if that makes sense. I don't think doing this every time, you know, like every weekend doing this really isn't much. And in my opinion, I think as well, a lot of people are actually sick of it. It's really turning their they might have had. I mean, like in my opinion, I don't think we should have anything to do with anything that's not to do with us. It's Israel and Palestine. It's not us.
Put it this way: if we were getting bombed and our children and our families were being killed, we would want people to step in and help.
Oh yeah. I'm not saying that. But I'm saying it's nothing to do with us. You know what I mean? Like when, alright, put it this way, right? Why do all the refugees, none of them are going to neighbouring countries? Why do none of the refugees from Gaza go to Egypt?
What's that got to do with not wanting families to get bombed?
Because it's still about Palestine, that's where it's happening, isn't
Yeah,
it?
but that's nothing to do with people not wanting their families to get bombed. That's a whole different matter.
I'm just saying, there must be a reason why we don't want the refugees to go to the countries next door.
This is not about.
But they'll know them better than anyone, surely the neighbours will know them better than anyone, won't they? Thanks, thank you for talking to me anyway. So yeah, as you can see, they all have like pretty warm views. I mean, I understand that they're passionate about Palestine and all that, but there's plenty of conflicts going on in the world that could do with getting some press. I mean, like at least you didn't get too emotional and that, and we have differing views, which is natural for humans. I just don't agree with them. I knew what sort of people they were anyway. As soon as I said something about it, and that guy gave me that simple look, I thought this guy is a fucking soy boy. My assumption was correct. This guy's doing the dancing, he's trying to get some extra coin, isn't he? So to get paid. Like, fuck the big issue, I'm going to be a dancer for pro Hamas. I got in there as well. Well, that's it, Grand Theft Palestine. Fucking hell. Grand Theft Palestine, eh? That'll be a wild one, wouldn't it? I've got a spot, unfortunately. Go on, get away. It's like a little meet and greet for some of these people, innit? You know, like people used to go for teas and coffees and that and have a chat on their natter. Well, this is the equivalent to some people, innit? Coming out on a big protest, meeting and greeting and that. Having a little sing-song. We've got some CID there, trying to blend it. Trying to blend it with earpieces. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see the big clock. Yeah, the big clock. Let's see. There they are. Yeah, nice big clock there if you're struggling to see what time it is. And it's actually correct, which is nice to see. Bringing in the artillery units now. We're going in a wheelchair. Like the long range cannon and launch them. I feel like I've got my own like entourage of bodyguards here. No one's going to mess with me now, are they? Yeah, I don't really think much is going to happen really down here. Yeah, this guy's piping up. Someone put a coin in him before he's sticking them out. You're not allowed to do that, are you? I didn't think they were allowed to do that. Eh? Right, Bob. Does that mean I can come and stick all my stickers about?
Well, like I said, mate, not doing any damage, so...
You don't know, a couple of them stickers that you can't get off, you know, that you got to scrape and... Whereabouts is your horse?
Sorry?
You're a street ranger, aren't you?
Oh, like the Lone Ranger, yeah?
Yeah, that's the one, man, that's the one, yeah.
It's about keeping the city a bit nicer for people.
Yeah. Nah, you do right, man, you do right.
Ones that you see in Manchester that find people for dropping
Cigarette butt police and that.
Nah, we're just like we catch kill shoplifters and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Funny for this, like we don't really get involved in this kind of thing, but it's only if, like, because there's so many.
Yeah, it's quite a big turnout, isn't it?
We're employed by the business.
If you see any little
Oh,
kids,
yeah, I get you,
little kids running around, just tell them to keep their kids quiet, like, you know,
I get you.
that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, man, just making sure it's all safe, aren't you, really? Yeah, man. That's what we like to see, it's what we like to see, yeah. Have a good day, yeah?
Yeah, you too, fella.
Nice fun, see you later.
Thank you, man. Okay, I'm going to keep nice and quiet now for this march because this is a very meaningful thing. There's a lot of people dying in the world, isn't there? And I respect that cause 100%. 100%, my brother.
These guys protecting Russia or something. They're Russian prime target. They don't want so. Well, there's some truth in that statement. It looks like James Bond's ready to pull his whip out, ready to pull his gun out and that. We're going to start getting people down any second. He's watching for his target. In fact, the Terminator sent from the future to protect humanity against the onslaught on the Palestinians.
Why protest here? Why cover your face for it? Stand here. I'm protesting. I'm 100%, I agree with you. But don't protest here. Go to the day. It's my country as well. It's my country as well.
We have the right to protest.
Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Good job at that little boy there.
Go to Dubai and protest. All these countries, all these countries, don't protest.
Guy's going to get nicked if you're careful.
Don't touch me. But I'm saying, don't touch me. I've protested peacefully, yeah? And your mates assaulted me. Bring your voice down. So don't touch me. What I've said is, I'm protesting peacefully, but that's not allowed. That's not allowed, is it? That's not allowed. Alright. Yeah, because your friend
There's a little
assaulted me.
sticker guy.
Your friend assaulted me. What I'm saying is, I understand why you're protesting, and that's absolutely fine. But at the same time, why protesting in New York when it's achieving nothing? Right,
You've got the most common sense of everyone here.
So why don't we do it? It's all
Got another face covered.
But why did it not affect me? Why did it not? It seems like you're not protesting for Gaza.
I understand why you're coming from, but ultimately it's a democracy.
It's a democracy, but
They
at the
said
same
that
time,
they're
right?
as well, so
At
we
the
can
same
leave it at
time,
that.
the only reason protest, we get hammered for it. Yeah, we do. We do. 100%. Can I come and get a microphone?
Have you ever come unorganised crime in Afghanistan?
No. Why is your mate being aggy? Why is your mate here? Don't touch me. I haven't touched you. It's not on your face, mate. It's a mile away. Don't get aggy. Don't get aggy. Don't get aggy. But your mate's been aggy. At the same time, I 100% agree with them. You know what I mean? Oh, sorry, not a second.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Go and go somewhere else. Come to an English country. But I don't understand why you're filming. Really? Yeah, you're a deaf lad. So I 100% agree with them, but at the same time, have a bit of respect for everybody else. I'm very kind.
You want a bulldog? 20 quid. This guy here, I can tell he's got a wind up.
I'm telling you no.
There's little stickers in that. Way up.
I'm telling you no. Mate, what I'm doing. What you do about that?
Part of this group over there. Yeah. But I think this is not technological situation.
Of course it is. But now we'll get sent to a will. They can stand there with the cameras and now get sent.
There we go, he's been ushered away. That's what I like to see.
Turn up to a protest, that's nothing to do with England. What's the point? Again, I don't control it. I would 100% agree with what they're saying. What's that achieving here? What's achieving? Achieving nothing. It's not modern. It's not achieving nothing, is it? So then why am I not allowed to express my opinion? I get shoved off my big lad and then I get fucking angry on here. For no reason. Right. I was there and I said to him, what's the size of
Yeah, if it's on a block in the view or what, I'll just move around here a little bit.
Do you think we need to take it up?
I'm not spoiling my day. It's two-sided, isn't it? I was going to commit no offences, but if they want to commit offence, that's fine. But at any point, put your hand on your head. After, 5 minutes after, they shut their film. See, he's in there saying section 14 showing that. He's an absolute idiot. You know what I mean? That night is fine.
Maybe make a one.
Good to be in there. I missed all that. And they're going back to resume the positions again. Look at this fucking idiot here, he's got a microphone but them COVID masks on. He can't even hear what he's saying, man. An absolute bellend. They can make out that look also. Yeah, listen to this. Just about making out. Fucking hell, man. It's embarrassing, that, isn't it? I wonder what you do, man. Show your face. Observers are out doing what they do best. Observing. Good job they're here making it such a safer place. Yeah, changing the guards, guys. New fresh ones coming out.
I work as a teaching assistant in a primary school in York and I am a Unison rep there. As school workers, we've been horrified by all the statistics, not least around schools and children. The IDF has killed at least 18,000 children, one every 45 minutes. Let's put those figures in context.
Check this out, guys, the speaker at the moment.
21 years.
She's a local primary school teacher.
I would have to work for another 200
feel sorry for the kids getting taught by ear and getting radicalised.
Unison has called.
So yeah, hopefully that's the end of that. I think everyone's fucking off now. Some of these people look like bloody wild animals. Look at these guys here. What's going on over here? Starving children is never self-defense. Yeah, quite good defense against getting a wash. What else that's down here? Wonder if he's for Palestine or who knows? Yeah, I don't think anything else can happen now, guys. I'm going to make my way home now. Should be on later tonight. Yeah, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed. It means a lot to us. Thank you for liking the videos, commenting, yeah, everything that you're doing. Just keep it up, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.